yes, that time don't reach again. We meet Dr. Adora on top your health corner. They give you all the information way you need to make sure say, you self they carry last on top. I say carry last. Hey, say you self go carry first on top all your health matter them. And since the beginning of this week, I don't dey sort you wetin arthritis be. I don't tell you say different types of arthritis dey. I don't even tell you some kind things, some kind limitations on top that one, some kind risk factors where they follow this arthritis they waka. On top that one, I don't sort you some of the diseases where people will get this arthritis, they still complain about. And on top that matter, the one where I want to start with today, now high blood pressure. You know, say people will get this arthritis, they don't complain, say they get high blood pressure. And we don't discover, say this high blood pressure, because it is associated with heart disease. Now, it be the most common disease where they follow people, adults, we get this arthritis, they waka. Approximately 1 in 5, that's 19% of US adults with arthritis, then be smokers. And you know, say all of them, all these ones that they connect, smoking, heart disease, high blood pressure, all of them. And this smoking also, it is associated with chronic respiratory conditions. That's not anything where they affect our lungs or all the places where they take, they breathe in and breathe out. And that's one, this one is the second most common comorbidity. That's not disease where they follow arthritis. They waka on top adults matter. So now, what will be the different types of arthritis? Then plenty, then reach like 200 types of arthritis, or we will go call them musculoskeletal conditions, which then don't divide into 7 main groups. One of them now, inflammatory arthritis. That's not the first one. And that's not the main biggie of this whole matter, apart from osteoarthritis. This one, it affects different joints for our body. And you wanna say it go damage the surface of the joints and even the underlying bone where they there. This inflammatory arthritis, degenerative or mechanical arthritis, that one step still there. They get the soft tissue on. They get the musculoskeletal pain. That's not any pain where they affect all the muscles and the skeletons them. On top that one, you get some kind of back pain where they experience when arthritis they cause more. Then the one where they call connective tissue disease. This infectious arthritis them still get metabolic arthritis. Well, the first one I've been shown to now inflammatory arthritis. And inflammation on a good day, now the normal part of our body as they take the healing self. This inflammation, it occur as defense against viruses, against bacteria, or as the answer where they give to our body, they give to maybe injuries such as when fire burn person. But for on top arthritis, this inflammation not be better thing. It they happen for people where, as in for no reason at all, the thing go just show face. And this inflammation where they happen for this inside this inflammatory arthritis, they help to repair the body, unlike the other one. Instead, what they do, they say it cause the tissues around the affected joints to become damaged. Those ones go come spoil, come they cause pain, it will come they hard. Then for some people, it go they swell, come they big. You know, say as we explained before, this arthritis, it means joint inflammation. But this inflammation fits also affect within all the other things where they surround the joints. Where they call them the tendons and the ligaments and every other thing around there, where they call enthesitis. This now when the thing done bad as it bad. This inflammatory arthritis, if it affects different joints, and the inflammation, like I talked before, it they damage the surface of the joints and even the bone where they there. The next one, now degenerative or mechanical arthritis, as the name be, degeneration. That one refer to a group of conditions where they damage the cartilage. Cartilage now those things where they cover the end of the bone. That one now the primary issue for the matter. And the main job of this cartilage now to make the joints to they move smoothly without any friction. So when this one will go spoil them, this arthritis will come damage them, and at that time this degenerative arthritis will occur. This now 2 where I don't sort you on top the different types of arthritis. So how many remain? Like 5. Tomorrow I will give you the remaining. Make yourself for sabi as be. My name na Dr. Adora, and this na your health corner for Good Morning NAIJA show. No go anywhere. Our chikalas they there to give you all the better information. We still they come. I go see you tomorrow.
If you know, just enjoy the video they want to just watch, make una sharply subscribe to our channel. Not darling.